Hello, Scots. It's time for sports, and I'm Silas Alva.
And I'm Carlos Rafael Iglesias. Today's show is only going to be about sports.
So listen up, Scots.
Did you guys happen to see Jordan Poole drop 41 points? He may be a ball hog, but he's a young star. Softball season is right around the corner, Scots. And if you're interested, make sure you check in with Mr. Moreno down in room 7K. Or you can simply scan the QR code on his door.
Scots, you will need your sports net cleared to participate in any preconditioning sports in November.
Scots, the last football game is coming up real soon. I can't wait to see you all there.
The Scots will be taking on Ridgeview High this week at home.
And to close off this season, we got some special interviews with a few of the players.
Peter Parra, please take it away.
I'm Peter Parra, and I'm here with Highland Scotsman, wide receiver.
Johnny Brucker.
I'm here with Highland Scots slot receiver.
Jordan Salcido.
And why is this football game important?
Because it's win or go home.
This game is important because if we win, we get to go to the playoffs.
Why should students go watch you play?
Because me and my teammates are some dogs.
What is senior night?
It's basically the night where we get to honor all our seniors and watch them play their last football game.
Do you have a favorite memory from this football season?
I cooked up 2 touchdowns in one game against Chavez.
Do you have a favorite memory from the football season?
I think my favorite memory from this season is winning a game against Chavez on Jalen's birthday.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you indeed. And Scots, make sure you guys go get your tickets on GoFan in order to get through those lines faster.
Now we will have some special interviews from the girls' tennis team from Sarah Uribe.
I'm Sarah, and I'm here with
Kayla Johnson.
How is the tennis season going so far?
It's been good.
How do you feel about the upcoming match?
I feel good. I think it'll be difficult, but we'll still win.
Mm-hmm. Why is tennis important to you?
It's important to me because it's helped me overcome challenges, and it's a way to take my stress out, I guess.
I'm here with
Riley Aguilar.
How is the tennis season going so far?
It's been going good. We've won a lot of games, but we've also lost some too.
Oh, how do you feel about the upcoming match?
I'm very nervous because it's our second playoff match and we need to win this one to keep moving on.
Why is tennis important to you?
It's important because it's mentally got me stronger.
What have you learned from playing tennis?
I've also learned how to communicate with others and to overcome any stressful situation.
What have you learned from playing tennis?
I've learned how to work with a team and work by myself and communicate with others.
Thank you.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go, episode, I believe, 6. Today we're going to be asking people of Highland what they're going to be dressing up for on Halloween. Let's go! Speaking with
Katie Johnson.
Nice to meet you. And what are your plans for Halloween?
I actually don't celebrate Halloween, but I will be eating tons of candy with my family.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, thank you. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Brooke.
Nice to meet you. And what are you dressing up for on Halloween?
I'm dressing as Coraline.
Fantastic. All right, and then who are you?
I'm Amory.
Nice to meet you. And who are you dressing up on Halloween as?
The Onceler. Wait, I want to do that. Okay.
Okay. Hi, who am I speaking to?
Lily.
Nice to meet you. And who are you dressing up on as Halloween?
Okay, so I think I might be Greg No, I might be Riley Jefferson, and my cousin's gonna be Greg Heffley.
Crazy. Oh my God. All right, fantastic, fantastic.
I'm Mrs. Martinez, one of the counselors.
Nice to meet you. And what are your plans for Halloween?
I'm gonna put on my Hogwarts robe, my Gryffindor robe, and pass out candy to all the little kids.
That's fun. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Hi, I'm Miss Navarez, counselor and teacher.
Nice to meet you. And what are your plans for Halloween?
I'm gonna be Minnie Mouse and give out candy.
Fantastic. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Mr. Ramirez.
What are your plans for Halloween?
I'm just planning on passing out candy, so.
That's fun, that's fun. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Joanne Barrick, I'm a counselor here.
Nice to meet you. And what are your plans for Halloween?
I'm going to hand out candy, and my son's going to go work at a fall festival.
That's fun. That's fun. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Anel Diaz, counselor.
Nice to meet you. And what are your plans for Halloween?
I will be a vampire, and I'm taking my kids out trick-or-treating.
That's fun. That's fun. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Jennifer Dunkel, counselor.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
I'm going to take my son trick-or-treating.
That's fun. That's fun. All right, thank you.
That's it for today, Scots.
Remember to
Plaid up.